you've been talking about Badger Game Day and what the weather's going to be like. Well, this morning, we're out on the patio getting ready for game day.
Yay!
And we're going breakfast style here.
Well, it's an early game.
Yes, 11
First
a.m.
11 a.m. at home.
I mean, yeah, we got to kind of do breakfast. So I've got sliders. They're called our sunrise beef sliders. So super simple beef patty, salt and pepper, a little cheese on top, and then we're going to top it with scrambled egg. And before I scrambled the eggs, I caramelized some onion and threw in some mushroom, a little bit of fresh mushroom. So let's let this hang out because I just stirred the eggs so they'd be fresh for us. I got 2 recipes because maybe you don't want eggs before a Badger game or, or breakfast. I've got a nacho beef dip, which is so simple. 3 ingredients. Turn this down. And so a pound of lean ground beef, a jar of queso. So the queso cheese dip. I used kind of the nacho-y cheese dip.
Look at that.
So good.
That is some yummy goodness right there.
Salsa. Like half a cup of salsa.
Yes.
So I did it right on the grill. I browned my beef ahead of time, brought it browned, added in the jar of queso, added in the salsa. So it's definitely portable. And then we've got all great toppings. Careful, it's really hot.
Burn your mouth to pieces.
I'm just going to get it cooling.
I'm going to get some more sliders off.
It smells so good, too.
But yeah, really, these recipes aren't even recipes, so it's just great idea starters. But if you want the recipe, we've got them.
What we thinking?
But yeah,
Let's do it.
super
How's your
easy
mouth?
way to use ground beef. Get in there, guys. Now I will top these.
I don't want to burn my mouth to pieces.
I don't have the recipes on me, but I tell you what, you have one of these sliders before the game, all the protein in it. Because one serving of beef has 25 grams of protein, plus adding all that egg on top, you're gonna be nice and satisfied.
Got the protein,
and
Josh.
have a great base.
You know, that'll pair really well with a good old-fashioned Badger Bloody Mary.
What a combo.
I didn't bring any, but that's a great idea.
Well, we're
Probably better you
right
didn't.
now.
Yeah, probably better you didn't.
Yeah, probably good.
No, but these look fantastic. You toasted the bun, you get the little egg on there. Again, you caramelized some onions and some mushrooms before you started tossing the eggs around. Cast iron, really, versatile whenever you're trying to cook. It can go from one surface to another surface.
Exactly.
You can leave it on the grill.
Exactly. I love it
keep
for the
stuff
grill.
warm.
Perfect for
I love it for the
tailgating.
grill. You could probably definitely scramble your eggs and all this mixture, bring it with you already done, just warm it up, and then it'll be less work. I don't like to work when I'm out on the tailgate, so
Make it easier.
Throw that in the pan, bring the pan, throw it on the grill. Done. Less dishes, less things to worry about.
There we go.
Throw your sliders on.
All right.
These are kind of hard.
Breakfast of champs.
Yeah.
Is the burger nice and juicy?
Oh my
Yeah.
God, I need that. I need that here. I'll take that
Sunrise
one.
beef sliders and beef nacho cheese dip. Beeftips.com, and click on the on the homepage as seen on TV and as seen on Channel 3 morning show page.
Yes.
And we got so many fun, great tailgating recipes, perfect to celebrate the Badgers.
Angie's been coming on about every
excited.
week for home games for the Badgers. So if you want to see any of the
Gotta try
recipes
this.
that we've done so far this season, they're all ready for you, really easily accessible, really nicely laid out. Angie with the Wisconsin Beef Council, thank you so much for cooking for us this morning, feeding us well. Appreciate
There you go.
it.
Let's go Badgers.
Sliders up.
Sliders up.
Sprint is next.